Thank you for watching Season 2 of The Cool Parts Show.
We have had such a great season, right? We covered parts ranging from a Mustang part, a Ford Mustang bracket, to a component for a quantum physics vacuum chamber.
Yeah, and we've been to some cool places. We got to go to the Youngstown Business Incubator, to Ford. I went to the dentist.
You went to the dentist. And the Emerging Technology Center. Thank you, Carpenter Additive, for being our exclusive sponsor for Season 2.
So we're going to go on hiatus for a little bit. We're going to be working really hard on Season 3, but we'll have a couple of other videos for you in the meantime, and we'll be back soon with a whole new batch of cool parts.
If you haven't seen all our episodes, you can find them at our new handy URL, thecoolpartsshow.com.
You can also keep up with what's happening in 3D printing by subscribing to the Additive Manufacturing e-newsletter or magazine at additivemanufacturing.media.
At additivemanufacturing.media, you'll find all our social media handles there too. Follow us there, subscribe on YouTube, you'll know when Season 3 drops.
See you soon.